it's different this year. We've talked about that kind of throughout this whole thing. So access to the films. I want to talk through a little bit about how we access the films and how we can get access during the weekend. So first of all, it looks like the blocks of films are listed on the Facebook page. Are they also listed out on the web page?
They will be,
Okay.
yes. Uh, or you can we've got the Vimeo link on the page, and as soon as you click on that Vimeo link on the 29th, not yet, on the 29th, all the blocks are already edited together. So you're not going to be clicking through a bunch of films. You're going to just click on the block and it's going to count down and play for you. All of the features are going to be on that Vimeo page. So you can click on the Vimeo page and just scroll through and see which blocks you'd like. The Vimeo page will also have, in each of the film blocks is going to have the description. So you can see exactly what you're going to be watching.
And they're all sequential. There's no need, once one of the short films is done, you don't have to click anything else, like you said, right? It just goes right to the next one.
Exactly. There's going to be a little bit of what I like to call the palette cleanser, the little black. And then there's a title card for the next one, and then it'll play. If it's got some content that is considered adult, there will be a little warning beforehand to let you know. But please do not message me if you watch one of the horror blocks and get upset that there's horror stuff in there.
So does Vimeo give you the statistics on how many folks watch and tune in, or how long they watch each film, as far as for the People Choice Awards? If someone loves a film, is there a way to vote? How does that work?
There is. We have a survey. We have a survey link on the website. So you're going to just click on that and go through there. We decided to keep that off. We're not going to put it on Vimeo because it just confuses people. So we're just having it on the website and on the Facebook page. Both of them have our link to vote for your your favorite short film and your favorite feature film.
I've noticed on the Facebook page, you've got each of the blocks listed. You can indicate whether you're interested in it, whether you're going. And then once you click one of those things, you start getting notifications when something there changes. I've noticed some were videos posted, I imagine, that are trailers that you're posting up to the site. So the trailers can all be accessed through the event area on Facebook for each of the blocks.
Yes, and there's also posters for them, or sometimes still shots. And also the Facebook blocks actually have the individual link. So instead of going to the main Vimeo page, it's going to, hey, I put interested on the thought-provoking page. So now when you click on that link, it's going to take you straight to the thought-provoking block.
Oh, very cool and very efficient.
Thank you.
Now, once the weekend is all said and done, if someone has seen a film or is interested in a specific filmmaker, are they going to stay up on the website for a little while if they want to, see it again, or find out more about that filmmaker, or where the film is going to play or be available online? Will that information stay up and live for a little while?
We are pretty much the last stop for most of the filmmakers because we had to push back for so long. This is our 2020 festival. Even though it's 2021 right now, we had to push it back. So I think that this weekend is pretty much the last chance to see most of these films. We do have an Eventive page, and we do have all the information is still on our website for a while after, probably until we start announcing this upcoming year's festival. Those will be there so you can see who the filmmakers are and look them up online. A lot of them have social media and everything. But after this, because of legal reasons, after the 31st, we will not be able to access those films because they don't belong to us. They belong to the filmmaker. They only belong to us for that weekend because they've given us permission.
Related question to what Matt just asked. During the weekend, I assume unlimited viewing. So if I wanted to watch one film and then I want to go watch it again, I could just go back and watch it.
Yes, keep watching until you find every single Easter egg.
Good. Well, thank you again, Amy Coull, for your time, and we wish you all the best. Hope it's a major success this weekend, and especially with the new format. I think it's really fantastic that, again, with everything that's going on, you still have people from all over the world getting together, and the internet is the great equalizer, so everybody can get together and enjoy this film festival together, and build that community. So everybody get out there and support the West Sound Film Festival. This is the 2020 West Sound Film Festival. So if we're lucky, we're going to get a second one this year. It's being held online this year, free of charge, in support of all the artists and filmmakers that have been impacted by the quarantine. There's dozens of films produced, again, locally, nationally, internationally, and they're all available to view online as many times as you'd like. And they're all broken up into genres, and that's January 29th through 31st. So that's coming up quick. It's the last weekend of the month, so mark your calendars. You've got genres ranging from documentary to dance to animation to apocalyptic, and a whole bunch more. So you can check out everything at westsoundfilmfestival.com. And thank you for getting out there and promoting our local and national and international artists during this challenging time for everybody.